So folks, welcome back. Today we're going to take a quick look here at this EVO Select Samsung SD card, micro SD card with the SD card adapter here. And so I'm going to roll in some footage here of me using this card in different cameras whenever I traveled across North America recently, especially to Western Canada and Montana. And put these cards to use in a DJI Action 5 camera, and then also to a Sony ZV-1 Mark II camera, and wanted to kind of see what results I would get or if I had any issues at all. And in the end, I was mega happy with these, as you will see from some of the footage. It ended up working out really good. The other thing too, with the 256 gigabyte capacity, I was able to record tons and tons of videos, because now, especially if you record in 4K like I did with my action camera, some of the video files were like 16 gigabytes. So, the nice thing about it is with all that storage space, I could basically put this in. Didn't have to worry about running out of storage space anytime soon. At least had me covered for a couple of days. So, in the end, they worked out really good. That DJI action camera, this seemed to mesh really well with that and just did a great job. No hiccups or any stalls in the footage or anything at all. Just went really super smooth. So check out some of the footage I shot, see what you think. But in the end, very happy with these SD cards, and I'm going to continue to purchase them, as I just did with another one right here. And this is the old one that went to Canada with me. So one of them, I had two of them that went with me. So anyways, I hope you enjoy the footage and y'all have a good day.